I'm a monster.
Are you gonna win?
Yeah. Suicide.
What are you playing?
Wow!
Mario Kart?
Yeah. Wow! Wow! That was awesome! I went up in the air!
Are you flying?
No. Wow!
Are you
Oh,
racing?
what's that? What's that?
That's a mole. You're going the wrong way.
Whee! It's the cow's race.
Keep going.
No one passes Baby Mario. Wow!
Oh, you hit a cow.
No,
Oh, you hit another cow.
that time, no one will hit me.
Are you winning?
No, yeah, I will win. Yes, I'll go win.
Whoa. You're going the wrong way. You hit the fence.
I'm going the right way. This is where everyone else goes. This is where everyone...
Oh, look. There they are. Oh.
Oh, dang.
Go. Go.
Wow! That is awesome. I won.
Keep going. You're on your last lap.
I'm on my last lap. It's that time it didn't get me.
You made them all little.
No,
Yeah. Oh, watch out for the cow. Don't hit the cow.
I didn't. This doesn't, no fence. That's how I didn't hit that one. Oh, that's how I didn't hit the fence either. Hey, I see the field.
Go. Go.
Wow.
Are you winning?
Yeah, I'm going. Whoa, what was
There
that?
you go. There's a finish line. Go, go, go.
Yes!
Did you win?
Yeah?
What place?
The number 3?
12th?
Yeah.
You won 12th place again?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
Good. And I'm still going.
You're replaying?
Not this race again.
You clicked the wrong button.
Wrong button.
You need help?
He's still going.